Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Calvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall Office 2021 without losing your files. So if I go to let me just go to my documents. Here you can see I have some Office documents here under my documents. And if, for example, you're having issues with Office and you want to actually reinstall Office without losing your files, I mean, not trying to actually uninstall and reinstall Office back again. So what we need to do to actually reinstall Office without losing your file is we need to go to our programs and features. So let me just try to open my programs and feature. This is actually a shortcut to open that. Just the application wizard.cpl. So just click on that and it's going to take you directly to your control panels, and you can see we are right now in programs and feature. And here you can see we have the Office Professional Plus 2021. So we don't want to actually uninstall, but we want to just click change. So by clicking change, you're going to say yes. And here you can see we have two options: quick repair online repair. What happens? An online repair will actually go to the internet and download Office from the internet and reinstall Office on your device. The advantage of doing this is this: it will reinstall Office on your device without you losing any documents you have on your laptop or desktop. So let's say you are someone who works with Office a lot, like you have a Word document, Excel, Outlook, and things like that. So all this is going to remain on your device without you losing your Office or losing any documents on that device. So let's just click repair, and it says ready to start. Well, if you are on a metered connection, this may charge extra because it's going to actually connect to the internet and try to download all the files, all the required files again from Office, and reinstall it back again on your Windows 11 device. So let's just click repair, and it says we are working on preparing your Office program. So let's just wait. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pause this video. When the installation started, it's because we try to actually reinstall the Office again, then I will continue from there. So here we go. You can see that now Office is trying to actually get downloaded from the internet. Say please stay online while Office download. So it's going to actually download it from the internet and then try to reinstall it on this device. So let me just wait again for some minutes because this is not going to take very long time, so long that you have fast internet to the fast internet. So if your internet is slow, mind you, the installation process will also take some time. And if I also go to File Explorer, you can see that right now, you can see that I'm seeing my document. This is actually a Word document, and these are actually Excel documents. You can see right now, I can't open this document because Office is trying to get reinstalled. But you can see that the documents are still there. So I didn't lose any of these documents. So let's just wait for this installation to complete, and then we can continue from there. So here we go. You can see that it says you are all set. Office is installed now. So which means that Office just gets reinstalled. And if I click close, you can see that my documents are still available. So I can just actually double click and open this document without any issue. Here you can see that the document opens without any problem. And if I go to my programs and future, you can see we still have Office right there. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. I just hope that this video helped you try to solve your problem if you're having the same issue related to this video. And please, if you have any question concerning Office 365 or Office 2021, you can always leave a comment below and I will reply to your comment as quick as possible. Thank you very much and goodbye.